Okay, thank you.
Okay, baby, love you too.
I'll wait for you to come back, Bob. Okay. Thank you. Oh, it's Bomani with the revolutionary.
Hey,
Bomani.
Greetings.
These are my calligraphy students.
Hey, Bomani. Hi, Bomani. This is the Rahman Babara.
All right. Greetings, Sass. How are you and the crew?
My name is Deborah.
Greetings, Deborah. Deborah, are you ready to come to Ghana with us?
I wish I could. My money, I don't have any.
You know, there's banks all over the place.
She will
I'm
pretty
a
soon.
rob one there. What about that? I'm
Oh,
a
it's
rob
not-
one. I'm wrong.
Hey,
Her calligraphy will take her anywhere in the world. She's one of my premier
If
calligraphy
they are as
students.
cute as you, I might have to just walk over there.
oh, that's very sweet.
Diana. Anyway, I'm
Tell them
glad that you're here.
tell it to them at the bank, and they might give you a withdrawal.
Look at that. Thank you. And this is Diana.
Sass, you're smiling all excited this afternoon. You didn't know I was gonna creep up on you, right? At the J.O.B.
Well, I'm glad I'm at Fulton County.
Or is this the
Government.
plantation? Is it the J.O.B. the plantation?
This is the Bowden Center. My work is my love. Well, love. Your work is my play is my work. What can I say? I still punch a clock.
Well, I love the cultural unity and energy you got going on today.
Thank you. Great.
And
I just finished my class.
and I got all of the package right here for our sister.
Sarah, let's go see Sarah.
So you can
I'm gonna
introduce
miss
us.
you all.
Oh.
My baby, I love you.
So we'll see you in Ghana next year.
Hey, I'm gonna try my best.
When you make that withdrawal.
She's wonderful. Keep doing what
Thank
you're doing.
you.
When I step
Absolutely.
away, Deborah holds it down.
Yeah, I'm trying
Look
to hold
who's down
that.
here. Lee Duell.
Let's go rock on with our
went to
bad
Ghana
self.
with
Come on.
us.
Dun, 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 dun.
Hey, guys. Thank you.
We have a wonderful alumni here from our past glorious
For the African.
Ghana journey, October 2013.
I'm wonderful.
Greetings, my sister. How are you?
You.
All right. I'm doing well. I'm so happy to see you. I miss you. You were so wonderful on our October 2013 journey. I'm glad I see you.
October 23rd. What is it? October 23rd or 13th?
October 2013. Do you remember when you went to
Oh
Ghana?
yeah. Oh, that's what you're saying. Yes, I do remember.
Yes, exactly.
That was a life-changing experience. You know, I'll never forget that.
Wow, that's wonderful. How has it evolved your energy of today?
Well, it just makes me more appreciative and thankful for being here and knowing that I'm connected to my brothers and sisters in Africa on the continent, and knowing just the experience of knowing, you know, that they love us and you know we're one. You know?
Nothing like an experience, right?
Yeah, it's a loving experience. You know, I just feel love universally. You know.
That's perfect. Now, maybe you can share some wonderful things that the rest of the folks that are coming with us here in May and November to Ghana are going to experience.
Well,
Look at Tony.
gosh.
Or
The
what?
food, the people, it's an experience of your heritage, and the energy is so loving and strong, and it's just your ancestors come to receive you. I mean, it is just an awesome experience that has elevated my life, and I know it will theirs. You know, and that was a life goal experience for me, and I'm so thankful I did it. You
That's
know.
what's up. Maybe we need to get you back and get you with some
coming
more
back.
of these wonderful people here.
Yeah, I'm gonna come. I'm gonna come, and I tell everybody about it. And the way it's done, awesome, organized. I mean, that was the best trip I had ever done. If you ever want to go to the continent, this is the man.
Well, we appreciate your energy because everything has gotten better, and I guess better is better than better.
You're talking about a well-organized trip,
Yeah, that was it.
experience. I mean, for real.
It's so divine.
So once you go to the website, you'll see all the wonderful schedules that we have for the upcoming years.
Yeah.
I'm putting them up as we go along. So you'll see many wonderful things in Africa and outside of Africa dealing with our African heritage.
You would love it. You would love
I'm gonna try that.
it. It's all kind of fun involved. You would love it. It's a variety of experiences.
You get a full package, a full journey.
Yes, indeed.
Yes, family.
That's the way to go, too.
The journey of a lifetime is more than just a journey. It's a whole life experience. And then SAS is one of the all-timers. SAS say, Bomani, I gotta come on this next one. And we're creeping in, and we're about to...
HJC. There's Paul, the fruit and vegetable. are my.
They're this family. We're keeping it organic, keeping it fresh, keeping our body nice and strong.
I want to meet you all.
Hello, my beautiful sisters. How are you?
West Africa.
Fantastically blessed.
And
We are ready to take you on a journey of a lifetime to the motherland. Are you ready to go?
I wish I could. I have a
We're gonna
vision,
give.
but I can't go right
We have
now.
these wonderful cards right here.
I take a card though. I see my sister over here. She goes.
I'm getting ready to leave May the 24th.
She's going to bring us back some wonderful information.
That was my
because
first
she's
trip
very
to
far.
Africa. I went to East Africa.
You went to East Africa. How long ago was that?
Oh, that was a long time. I've been east, west, north, and
She's going to
south.
travel.
That's what's up.
Dr. Mixon.
That is perfect.
Dr.
The
Gloria
sunshine.
Mixon.
You ever thought about staying and not coming back?
No, I haven't.
She has to leave us. She wants to keep us in
She's
her.
indispensable.
But I'm not indispensable.
She wants to
but
keep us
That's
in
not
her.
my call.
She has a lot of wisdom.
I like that. That is not your calling. Well, people like myself, it's my calling, and we are ready to recruit all of the wonderful people who want to live and do business in Africa. Cheer them
Wonderful.
on. Say, go, go, go,
Go,
go.
go, go.
Go, go, go. We support you. You might not be able to be there physically, but we support you.
That is
That's
beautiful.
the way we can.
That is beautiful.
I'm fun to shop.
We have more people coming on the journey of a lifetime. You ready for Ghana?
Say no. Have a good one. We're going to be dancing at the Tasty Taste tomorrow.
We'll take you there again.
I know you would. If I could, I'd do it.
Absolutely, we will. Family, we are creeping through SAS JOB here at the Bowden Center here in College Park, East Point, Georgia. SAS, where's the lucky lady that won the tour to Ghana?
I'll tell you in a minute. You can have a seat right here.
No, I am creeping up on you. Is that her?
She'll be right back.
Oh, she
She's
left off
behind
a
the
little
wall.
bit.
Huh? Her name is Sarah Thompson, right? She's
Yes,
joining us on a journey of a lifetime.
Yes, and we're gonna show her the most wonderful, best time ever.
She's been expecting you.
We're gonna come back and make her a recruiter.
Here she comes with the purple on. Now, she's walking around a little bit. Hey, Jesse.
Good to see you, girl. Always good to see you.
Yes, my brother. Nice to keep it strong.
This is my brother
Absolutely.
who takes me to Ghana, West Africa.
This is my sister.
I am.
There you go. There we go. We're giving you a ticket right there.
Okay.
Now, he's my
That
inspiration.
colorful flyer that you have right there, that is your ticket to the journey of a lifetime.
Okay. Hey, our motto up here is age strong, live long.
Absolutely.
That's right. And this is the volunteer of the year. Come over this way.
And we're about to creep up on our wonderful sister that's ready for Ghana, Togo, and Benin.
This is Bomani. He's the one that I traveled to Ghana, West Africa with. I'm going to be leaving you for a
Greetings,
while.
how are you?
On May the 24th. I'm going to be going over for a little while. But I'll be coming back. Isn't she beautiful? This is
Absolutely.
Miss S.
Absolutely. How many times you been to Ghana?
He's asking, have you ever been to Africa?
All right, well, you have a ticket right there. Whenever you're ready, you can cash a ticket in and join the journey of a lifetime. And my sister right here smiling like, I'm ready, I want to go. She's been and she's about to.
I've been to Gambia.
The
You've been to the
Gambia.
Gambia. Oh, you're from the Gambia.
Your
That's
sisters
what's up.
travel
From
there.
Gambia.
This is
I thought you went
Bomani.
there
My husband from West Africa.
oh, it's from West Africa. And you went to the Gambia to find your roots.
Okay, yeah. If there's a you want to say it, yeah. But
Absolutely.
I went
Has it changed your life?
yeah, it's different. It's very different because it's the air you breathe there is different. The water is different. The food is completely different from America.
Absolutely.
Completely different. It's like you go there, you don't even want to come back.
So it's worth the experience, right? What we're doing, we're encouraging more and more people to take the journey of a lifetime and experience Africa by experiencing it.
Yeah, I was there for like 2 months, so we went over there.
Perfect. So that's your ticket right there when you're ready to come to Ghana with us. And Ghana is another whole different world also.
I'm gonna visit there too. That's next door to Gambia.
Yeah, we're all neighbors.
Right, y'all all neighbors. It's all right there.
Absolutely. And Sass, you're going to give me the proper introduction. Hello, my sister. You're coming to Ghana with us also?
No, not this time.
Not-
I'm just bringing her schooling.
We're gonna give you a ticket. Whenever you're ready, you cash that ticket in, and you can join us on a journey of a lifetime.
do that. I'm so glad. I always go in November, but I'm going May the 24th this year.
Oh yeah, I see it here.
Yeah, I'm going on the May trip, but I'll be here next week. I go every year for 10 years in a row. He hadn't missed a year, and he's not even 4. 10 years of his life, he's been taking me and people like us home to Ghana. I love you. I know you so good girl. I don't get down with that. Come on, that's the queen. But she's going with me this year.
Greetings, my sister. It is so good to physically meet you. Congratulations on you winning that Journey of a Lifetime to Ghana.
She didn't win.
You and your family. So I didn't win anything. I paid for it.
I said that when I went to Egypt. I said it again when I went
Let me
to
give you a wonderful hug even though we're holding the camera.
When I go to West Africa.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
We like it.
So what we did, since you haven't been able to use the internet in the last few months, we decided to print everything off for you
That's so sweet
and
of
give
you.
to you.
Oh, that's so
Since
sweet of you.
you're one of our first paid in full participants, you know, we wanted to show some love to make sure that you didn't miss the plane.
Oh, well, thank you.
He's the best.
I know. That's so sweet of
Bam,
you.
show them that paid in full receipt.
Oh, my baby. Oh, I see.
Oh no, I mean my goodness
No,
gracious.
flip it up so they can see that logo.
Okay.
There it is. Bam, and then you have a lot of other wonderful documents, including your flight itinerary, which we're gonna get your ticket paid in full, so you can be ready to go, and your reservations are all booked.
Oh, I'm already ready.
And
I'm ready.
We're just ready to get on the flight right here in Atlanta.
I'm ready. I've been wanting to go to West Africa for a long time. My husband
Oops,
and
I didn't mean to show you something.
My husband and I both.
Is he here today?
No.
Bam, family. So that is a real receipt you just saw from our wonderful sister, and you're just excited.
Oh, I am.
And I'm sure your greatest inspiration came from
It
SAS.
did. It sure did.
SAS, why do you inspire people to come to Africa so well?
Well,
Why are you like the top recruiter?
well, you know, you want for your brothers and sisters what you want for yourself, but they have to have the consciousness and the awareness and the desire for themselves. Sarah is just good people, okay? She's
Gotta stay in touch with my roots.
yeah, and she loves to give back too.
Gotta stay in touch with my roots.
And she's traveling.
Seriously, I said the same thing when I went to Egypt. I said, oh my God, that was an eye-awakening experience. And then when I went to South Africa, being the most westernized of all of the countries in the continent of Africa, then I said, but they want to be like us. And then, of course, now I'm looking forward to this one. We were supposed to go 2 years ago, but then Ebola broke out.
Ebola broke out.
That's
I had a wonderful time in Ghana, even with Ebola. I got Ebola and I got rid of it by this. I put my fist up in the air and said, keep it black, keep it strong.
Okay, sounds good to me.
Yeah, so we were like Ebola proof. I was on the planes, the same planes that was filled up with Ebola, and we like survived. We were strong.
Yeah.
So everybody that came on the journey with us, they made it back safe, and they're still living to this day.
Well, good. Well, look.
So anybody who have
I've done north, I've done south, I'm going to west, and next year I want to go east, and I don't want to go to Kenya to deal with all those just only safari trips. I want to see how the people live.
Yeah, so we're going to take you to that wonderful journey that we have in November 2018, Ethiopia and Tanzania.
When?
November 2017. Family,
Not 2017.
Excuse me, family. November 2018.
November 18.
Ethiopia,
That's
Tanzania.
November 16th to November 30th of 2018. Ethiopia and Tanzania.
Through the 30th.
Yes,
The 16th.
The half of,
Okay, well that's going to interfere with Thanksgiving, but I'm just going to have to miss it.
absolutely.
If that's the only time that it's offered, that's when my husband has his family get together, but we're just going to have to skip it.
You know, we just recruit the family to come to Ethiopia.
Oh, they're not coming.
One week in Ethiopia,
They're
1
not
week in
coming.
Tanzania.
They're not coming. They're
A
not
real
like
cultural
me.
journey.
They're not like me. They're not coming.
So family, I'm going to have that tour up very soon, along with a few more, on our website, africafortheafricans.org.
That would interest me.
Hit the subscribe button, and we'll keep on giving you updates on all these wonderful things that we have going on.
So you say it's going to be
16th of November.
This
His
30th.
birthday.
okay. So you couldn't do it the first part of November.
For you, we can get you there a week earlier.
Seriously, could you do it the first part?
You'll probably be there by yourself though, but we can get you there.
You can get there early. Rest of the tour. Isn't she wonderful? What a first meeting.
Excellent.
about it.
Yeah, next time we're definitely looking forward to connecting with your
I can
husband.
spend 3 weeks instead of 2. Is that what you're saying?
I'm trying to say we'll make it work if that's what we have to do to get you on there.
No,
We aim to please.
Seriously. My husband, they have their little family get together Thanksgiving.
It's important. It's a tradition.
Right, it's a traditional thing. It's every Thanksgiving they get together. Because they couldn't get together any other time, and you know families get together for Thanksgiving anyhow. So that was really easy and simple to get together at Thanksgiving time. So if in a way possible that you can do it the first part of November instead of the middle to the end, that would be great.
Yeah, all the teachers are gonna be upset at me. They're gonna like, you changed the dates, now I can't go. Absolutely. Well, we definitely work something out, and family that are watching us, we are just sharing our excitement with you.
Even if you did it 1 week earlier, that we can still do Thanksgiving. You know, the second week instead of the third week.
You can, or you can do Ethiopia alone.
Oh, I can do Ethiopia alone.
We got a lot of options. We're option
That's great.
101.
That's great, because I really don't care that much for Kenya. All I hear people come back talking
Oh no, it's
about.
Ethiopia and Tanzania.
Well, both of them. I hear when people come back, all I hear them talking about those safaris.
I'm gonna do my rites of
gotta know
passage.
when
I'm
to
gonna
go.
go out to the jungle and kill me a lion.
No, really.
trying to
But
irritate me now.
I really do want to acknowledge and thank Sarah
Absolutely.
and her husband
Appreciate
here at the HJC Bowden Center. She's one of our volunteers to make sure that everybody get their meals on time and in order.
knows.
But the main thing is we're gonna be in Ghana
So
together.
you've been taking care of your people, now we're gonna take care of you and show you the
Okay,
journey of a lifetime.
And I'm glad you
Ghana.
came out to see her.
But my
Absolutely.
husband really wants to go to Ethiopia.
Oh, yeah.
But at the same time, he
Rufus.
really wants to sort of maintain his family, get together for Thanksgiving. That's something I do for him. And for
You
him,
doing?
my family.
You just see
Absolutely, absolutely. Anything you want to say to the rest of the folks listening to encourage them to come and travel to Africa and have these wonderful experiences like yourself?
Sarah's going with
Oh, I just wanna go around the whole scope.
Any encouraging
North,
works for them?
Southwest. I mean, not Southwest. South,
Northeast, Southwest,
East.
Central.
Central. Yeah, I gotta go east. I gotta go central. I just want to cover the whole spectrum. I really do. And so does my husband. That's great.
What's in
I've
the
been trying to talk him into going.
Yeah, what's in the what kind of water you drink? We have to prescribe it to everybody else so they can drink the same water, so they can want to come and have the energy that you
Oh,
got.
so they can thirst like me, huh?
Yeah.
That's when she's.
I just love art.
Yeah,
I'm really into art. And I pick up a piece of art every country, and then it's part of the decor in my house.
He's going to go into
That is wonderful.
I'm going 2018.
All right, my
How you doing?
brother.
Bomani.
That is what's up.
I'm going with them next year.
got the dates.
Yes, I'm going.
So you know, all you have to do is go on our website right there, right? AfricafortheAfricans.org. So you're not afraid of the internet, right?
Huh?
You're not afraid of the internet, right?
No.
There you go. That's what I'm talking about.
No.
So on YouTube, you have a link in the back right here, in the back of the postcard.
I would have gone this year, but I didn't make any preparation for it.
It's not too late. You might hit the jackpot tomorrow, and I'll fill you in.
Oh, somebody taught me in going to the line dancing cruise. So I'm going with the line dancing cruise. So I've already paid my money, so I can't go to two places,
Absolutely. So we'll see.
But I'm definitely going next year.
So we'll see you in May or November in Africa of 2018.
Right. So you from Ghana, huh?
No, I was born in Kingston, Jamaica, grew up in New York, and I'm here in the South to connect with my brothers and sisters as a modern day Harriet Tubman, and connect our brothers and sisters to the motherland.
Oh, so it's Underground Railroad, huh?
Yes, we are. Yes, it's similar, kind of.
You know, with the rate we're going with our damn Trump, we just might have to do that. You know
Hey,
that?
family, reach out to me and I will get you out to here, onto the African continent, and you can live free.
Can I get citizenship there?
Absolutely. We can get you citizenship in Ghana.
Oh, really?
Absolutely. So I'll show you how to navigate that video we just did with our sister Imacus from One Africa, talking about the process of how she became a glorious Ghanaian citizen. And she's also still a citizen of the United States.
Yeah. Well, maybe this is what I need. Yeah. Wow. $3,000, huh? That ain't bad. That ain't bad. Ain't bad at all. All right. Very good. Very good. Still feeling with me?
Absolutely, brother. Appreciate your energy, and family, let me close. And once again, we appreciate SAS and appreciate Sarah. And we'll see you on a journey for a lifetime. And if you can't make it, we'll share all of the highlights with you on our YouTube channel. Take care, family.
Line dance on their cruise.
Oh, okay.
And I can't afford both.
Oh, good.